everybody, it's Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm on the family gun range, let's call it, multi-purpose range here. So it's where we come and shoot. Gray does a lot of shooting down here with from the bench, which you can probably see back there from the little bench house. We'll go back there in a minute. We had a tree, a sycamore, fall down in the last storm. We were going to leave it up, but Lacey says, go down there and clear it now. This is where we keep all of our tractor implements here. So she's tired of dodging the sycamore tree. So she said cut it up so she can get around to hook up implements in the tractor. So we're going to quickly work on bucking up a sycamore tree today. Thank everybody for watching. We appreciate it. All right, there's the old bench shooting house. Got a cow being lazy behind it. Gray spends a lot of time here shooting back down range. Think about giving us a like and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate it. Let's get the Husqvarnas going after the sycamore there. Thank y'all. We limbed a lot of it up. We're still going to burn this pile right here, but we were going to kind of leave it and shoot some stuff off of it. It's pretty close range, you know, but for pistols maybe, but Lacey is tired of driving around it, and she's got to make that turn to get a lot of the tractor stuff on there. So we're going to see if we can buck some of that up. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm changing the camera around so much, but now when I'm making a cut off here, the old trunk's rising. He's standing back up on me. Got the root ball, and that root ball was down in the creek. Y'all know we had some floods in this creek several months ago now, and that's when this tree came down. So I don't care if it leans back up in here. I've got to take these cedars down and all that. So I'm gonna stay on present course, and if it stands back up, hopefully we get it on video. All right, thank y'all. Stay with us. Tried to get one more. All right, the old Husqvarna's got her done. Sycamore tree gone. Gun range will be opened up soon. I'll bring the splitter down here. I will split this up and maybe mix one piece of it in per bundle, or use it for fire pit wood or something like that. My brother-in-law and his family, they have an awesome outdoor kitchen just right up on the next hill, and they have huge fire pits and stuff, and so they always got a fire going, always can use some easy burning stuff for outside. So we appreciate everybody watching. Got another tree that stood up on me. That's 2 if anybody's counting. And I kind of knew this one was going to do it, but I didn't want to get down the creek and make that cut down there. It's fine. It went up there. It won't hurt anything until we can get down here. But very soon I'll come down with the splitter and get rid of this stuff. So I'll open up Lacey's tractor lane when she gets one of these implements on the tractor. So thank y'all for watching. Please give us a like to the video if you do, and consider subscribing to Nelson Ridge Farm. We'll see you next time. Y'all come back. Thanks. What do you say, girl? What do you say? Everything all right today? All right.